Hello everyone, welcome back to my hair studio. As you guys can tell, I have lost my voice. I'm getting it back. I had some flu few weeks back, and it wasn't an easy flu. Some people say cold. It wasn't an easy one. I wasn't well at all, and from there I lost my voice. But don't worry guys, I'm catching it back. Hopefully you guys are able to hear what I'm saying. So guys, this week I'm back with another video, and this time is going to be a hairstyle that I got the inspiration from the UK X Factor 2018. I saw the style a couple of weeks back and I did really like the style, and I said to myself, well, I could replicate that style and show it to you guys. So before I carry on, I would like to show you guys how the style looks like. So guys, I'll be showing you a quick video about how the style looks like, and from there we can carry on. Have a look.
And I will never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you.
So guys, yeah, there you go. That was the style that I saw, and it's not a difficult style. It's a simple ponytail, but I like the combination of the color, and I thought it's something that I could show it to you guys. So the extension I'm going to show to you today, this one here, which is the same color. It was, first of all, it was a red color, but because the style has two-tone color, I did pre-dye the roots of the extension off camera to save time, and so far that's how it looks like. I hope you guys will like it as well. So if you are new to the channel, and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe button down below. That way, when I upload a new video, you will always be among the first people to see it. Also, if you like today's video, don't forget to press the like button. That would let me know that you like today's video, and it also would let me know that you like the kind of videos I am uploading. So my dear friends, if you are interested to see how I do this, keep watching, enjoy the video, and I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye bye.
Yeah.